Is back to the books for children all across the state, but climbing COVID cases are adding new challenges in the classroom. Thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Randy Meyer.
And I'm Amy Hockert. In Minneapolis, more than 200 teachers were out today. Rob Olson joins us live. So Rob, this sounds like a lot, so help put this into perspective.
Well, the perspective, according to the school district today, is yes, it is a lot, but it is also within the norm of what they have been experiencing recently. It stretches them thin. They've been dealing with it, and they would like to certainly get into a better position. Tomorrow, though, the union representing both teachers and other staff members, the presidents of both the chapters there, will call for a more comprehensive plan to deal with staffing shortages, to teach those kids that are stuck at home. The district says these are all very complicated things to address.
It's definitely a strain and a stressor on the system. I think that can be clearly stated with confidence.
Minneapolis Superintendent Ed Graff in an online news conference confirming there are a large number of teachers out on this first day back from break, but adding the context to say while it is a challenge, it is also unfortunately not really out of the norm.
And as of this morning around 11 o'clock, we had approximately 285 teachers who were absent, and that's across 67 different sites in Minneapolis Public Schools.
Graff says their daily teacher absences has been ranging between 200 and 300. That's out of their total of 3,500 teachers. Their system does not track COVID-19, specifically as an absence reason.
The top three for today were around personal illness, personal leave, and then a family illness.
But Sunday night, the rising numbers of teachers already logging in absent from Monday got a lot of attention on Twitter. The numbers were coming from the system used by substitutes. That led to questions of if the district should consider switching to distance learning, both for safety and to allow quarantine teachers to still teach. Graff says that decision is not a simple one.
I think it's safe to say that we're experiencing greater stress, this time than we have in the past. How we can quantify that, I think there's going to be a lot of variables there.
A huge consideration, he says, is they know from last year's experience, kids learn better in school. That factor weighs heavy in any decisions.
And ultimately, we're balancing the need to keep our students safe, while also ensuring that they're learning.
Again, though, tomorrow, the Teachers Federation of Minneapolis calling for a more comprehensive plan to deal with a lot of these issues that they say those plans just simply haven't been there. I communicated, too, with St. Paul Public Schools to see what they're dealing with, and they say, yes, they're looking at rising case numbers, also looking at staffing shortages, looking at it, though, on a case-by-case, a school-by-school basis to figure out what to do. At this point, though, there's no plan to respond to that, but it is something they keep a careful eye on. Live in Minneapolis, Rob Olson, Fox 9.